Hi guys, welcome to YouTube channel. I am assistant of Vishnu. At first, I would like to wish all a very happy Independence Day. We are presenting a speech on the occasion of 75 Independence Day. Happy watching, thank you so much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Good morning to all. My name is Vishnu Srivastava. At first, I would like to wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Today, I'm gonna speak about 75th Independence Day. Today, we have gathered here to celebrate this great national event. As we all know that Independence Day is an auspicious occasion for all of us. India's Independence Day is the most important day for all the Indian citizens and has been mentioned forever in the history. It is a day when we got freedom from the British rule after many years of the hard struggle by the great freedom fighters of India. We celebrate every year on 15th of August to remember the first day of freedom of India, as well as remember all the sacrifices of great leaders who have sacrificed their life in getting freedom for India. India got independence on 15th of August in 1947 from the British rule. After independence, we got all the fundamental rights in our own nation, our motherland. We all should feel proud to be an Indian and admire our fortune that we took birth on the land of an independent India. History of slave India reveals everything that how our ancestors and forefathers had worked and suffered all the brutal behavior of Britishers. We can't imagine by sitting here that how hard the independence was for India from the British rule. It took sacrifices of lives of many freedom fighters and several decades of struggle from 1857 to 1947. And Indian soldiers Mangal Pandey in the British force had first raised voice against the Britishers for the independence of India. Later, several great freedom fighters had struggled and spent their whole life only for getting freedom. We can never forget the sacrifices of Bhagat Singh, Khudiram Bose, Chandrasekhar Azad, who had lost their life in their early age just for fighting for their country. How can we ignore all the struggle of Netaji and Mahatma Gandhi? Mahatma Gandhi was a great Indian personality who taught Indians a big lesson of non-violence. He was the one and only who led India to get freedom with the help of non-violence. Finally, the result of long years of struggle came in front on 15th of August in 1947 when India got freedom. We are so lucky that our forefathers have given us a land of peace and happiness where we can sleep the whole night without any fear and enjoy the whole day in our home or school. Our country is developing very fast in the field of science, technologies, education, finance and various which were almost impossible before freedom. India is one of the countries which were nuclear power. We are going ahead by actively participating in the sports like Olympic Games, Commonwealth Games and Asian Games. Jai Hind! Thank you so much.